Here we are at the Greenply factory in Vadodara, and a big warm welcome to all you viewers on our digital stream. The time has arrived, the moment when Greenply factory based in Vadodara is about to make history. This factory in Vadodara is state-of-the-art German technology and has been built in record time. Just like all their achievements, their first consignment is also super grand as they flag off trucks loaded with MDF to reach different parts of the nation. Behind me are trucks loaded up and ready to go because the first ever super giant consignment is going to leave the Greenply Vadodara factory. First time ever. And who better to do it than the Lucknow super giants themselves? So gentlemen, here we go!